Yeah, guys, I'm telling you, man, this is something you really want to invest into. If you can't get this right away, it's okay. Get the manual one, the yellow one, the red one, the green one, whatever color you want, manual. But I'm telling you, this is your best investment. Stop making these forklift drivers driving your truck. All they're gonna do is mess up your truck, mess up your floors, mess up your walls, just like I showed you in the very beginning of this. It's ridiculous. I was at a run yesterday. The man tried to argue with me that he's taking his forklift to drive in my truck. I said, no, buddy, drop the load on the end. I'll take it in. I don't want your truck in here. You're gonna mash up my floors. You don't drive with respect, and you're probably a newbie anyways. I saw what you were doing to the first load. So get one of these, invest into it. It makes your life so much easier. That's my tip of the day, man. Get you one of these.